thought I'd create this little impromptu video about a very simple technique that I use for putting the anti-seize onto the screws without getting my fingers so gooey. I just stick one end of one of the screws into the goo, and then I use a rotating motion to bring the goo all the way around two screws. They come in pairs always anyway. So, and once you see that the goo is, I don't know if you can see that. Once you see that the goo is even on both screws, you're all set to go ahead and use them without changing your grip to getting all gooey.